Welcome to Kevin's Kitchen.
Kevin's Kitchen,
14,
yeah.
Episode 7. Tuna, yellowtail, albacore. So we got some balls right here.
Look who's back! What's up, food? Yeah, show what's up.
Hang on, bro.
Ooh! Alright, y'all know we're over here, Sushi Katsu. I don't think I've had this in like 6 months, I want to say.
Oh, yeah.
This is my last sushi video. Let them know who sent you. Let them know who sent you, Kevin.
Hey, bro, use Jim's name.
Yeah?
Guess what you get?
What'd you get?
0% off.
0% off. Right, ladies first, bro. Oh, shit.
After you made it.
We got the appetizers right here.
Main entree.
Main entree right here. Dessert down there. Alright, appetizer. We're gonna get just one of everything. I just came for the water, bro.
Yeah, I just came for the water.
Thanks for the water. I didn't eat yet today, so I'm about to go in.
Bro, my new job buys us lunch every day. I work at another pharmacy, but it's like there's no customers. It's kind of like Amazon. You just pre-package.
That's tight.
Yeah, dude. And it's 9 to 5.
Oh, is it Monday to Friday or is
Monday
it
through
random?
Friday.
Oh, so you get weekends off?
Yeah, weekends off.
Nice.
Guaranteed, bro.
Yeah. What we got here, Kevin? Explain it to us.
Nigiri. All right, so welcome to Kevin's Kitchen.
Kevin's Kitchen.
14,
Yeah.
Episode 7.
Yeah, subscribe to his account right here. Banana Lover 69.
Tuna, yellowtail, albacore,
Yeah.
and eel. Thank you. So we got some balls right here.
I got 2 right here.
You got 4 right there. And then we got 8 balls over here.
This is the barbecue beef.
We have the beef.
We have Arby's. Ladies, if your thing looks like this. I just came here for the ginger.
Trying to keep the vampires away. Oh, that's garlic, dude.
That's garlic.
So vlogging or can I eat?
Oh, you could. Let me get that first bite, bro.
Always ginger it up.
Always ginger it up, bro. Keep the vampires away. We got some dumplings. Show my.
Round 1 of 10.
Yeah.
This is eel,
Eel.
so it shocks your mouth.
This is so eel. You gotta dab it.
Dab it, dab it, dab it. Yes, sir, yes, sir. You feel that little like pop rock sensation yet?
This is ill.
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 Ill. Illest. Welcome. Oh man, dude.
Not only you get sushi here, you get tacos.
What is that? I swear, it's like sour cream, some salsa. I don't know.
This is pico de gallo.
It might be that yummy roll.
Oh yeah, this is the yummy roll. This might be a EB roll. Ill roll. Cheers.
How do you eat this?
I think you just eat it like a taco. Mine just whipped in half.
Sorry. I don't know this guy. It was that good, huh?
Not bad. Just had a bad time eating it for the first time. This is the volcano roll, Philly roll, 911 roll. I think this might be the 911 roll. We're gonna go finish this. I'm gonna stop vlogging. Here's a montage of everything. Kevin, which one you want? I forgot what the hell they were.
I'll take the pink umbrella.
Alright. I don't know what this is, but cheers.
Cheers, bro.
Happy late birthday.
Thanks, dude.
It's been like 3 months.
I'm almost 26 now. It's okay. Actually, what year is it?
What year is it? 2021, bro.
Not year. I meant what month is it? It's April, right?
Yeah.
It's 420 hasn't happened yet.
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay, I was like, I swear.
Damn, bro, you'll finish it one? I'll do it. Oh, you gonna do it?
No, I can't.
No, I'll do it though.
Yes, sir.
What about alcohol?
He's not, I swear.
Let me get 5 more.
Round 1. 3 rounds tomorrow.
Minimum. That shit bustin'.
That shit be hitting different.
Can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give.
Alright, y'all, we just got done eating at Sushi Katsu. We had a lot of sushi, and I don't know how many numbers of actual pieces of sushi we had. There was a lot. Pretty full right now. But yeah, on our way to Kevin's new spot. Check it out. So once I get there, I'll show y'all. Peace. Alright, I couldn't find Kevin's spot, so I made this dude walk all the way over. I was on the other side because the thing said it was to be over there. Welcome to your Uber.
Thank you.
I do accept payments of Bitcoin or you know, that good sloppy.
Okay, make a left here, and we're here. That'll be $20.
Yeah, that'll be actually $50. All right. Check out the spot. Let's check out the crib. Welcome to MTV Cribs. Bro, it's a nice spot.
This is ours. Right here.
Oh, the second one?
Yeah.
So you tell me I can move in from the bottom floor?
There's nobody living.
Yeah, that's it. I can move in there? All right.
It's
It's so far. It's like in Antarctica.
Yeah, right? This is my homie.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Jim's.
Ian.
Hi.
Yeah, Mr. Vegas.
Mr. Vegas. So this is Mr. Pimp, huh?
I tell you, Old Spice guy.
I gotta ask, where the hoes?
They're coming over.
They're coming?
I don't know why.
They're at work, right?
Sour diesel.
Sour dude.
Sour diesel right there.
Don't worry, I already ate. Ooh, look at the vibes in here. Damn, Kevin, you trying to get laid or what? Jeez. Get the LED. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, dude, they go underneath the bed too, like
Yeah.
blue, green, blue.
Shit, turn on the red. Ooh, where you get the LED lights from? Amazon?
Amazon. You probably sent them to me.
Yeah.
Look at this shower curtain.
Damn, bro, I'm trying to smash in here.
This is a vibe. You get the LED lights.
Bro, and the view is nice, bro.
Yeah, dude. I keep it closed.
Keep it 100. No, sunlight. The future's so bright.
I know, right, dude? Future is hella bright. Yeah, this TV, dude, and this shit was.
Did you mount it correctly?
Yeah.
Okay, I was gonna say, he pulls out. Oh, oh, you trying to smash or what, bro?
You just set up the vibe, dude. Like
That shit extends.
Yes, bro. So you're just like chilling here.
When y'all been kissing for 2 hours, bro, like it extends out. I don't bite.
That's the only time he does that. Like, watch, I'll lay down in the bed.
Oh yeah, he'll jump. Damn. Oh.
That's in my face all the time. Bro.
I have a treat, buddy.
You have a treat. Sure.
You can say thank you. Man, the vibes is immaculate, bro.
Immaculate.
Hey, ladies, y'all know what to
Dad's come out here. Refreshing.
Refreshing.
Very refreshing.
Cheers. Busted.